Relative pronouns are used to introduce clauses, which are a group of words that give additional information or important information about the nouns coming before them. Who, whom, whose, which, that, and what are the most frequently used relative pronouns. In some cases, as, where, when, and why can also be used as relative pronouns. But our focus will be on the first set of relative pronouns, as these are most frequently used. So let's begin with who. Who is used for only persons, and its form do not change irrespective of the gender or the number of the nouns that come before it. Let's see some examples to understand this. We want to hire employees who are hardworking and talented. Can you call Stella, who is waiting in the lobby? The teacher, who is very good at English, is teaching in the class. In all the three sentences, relative pronoun who remain the same irrespective the number or gender of nouns. Whom is the objective case of who. Now you need to understand this. Whom refers to the person who is the object of the relative clause. Now this person receives the action in the relative clause. See the following examples carefully to understand this. We want to hire employees whom the panel has shortlisted. Can you call Stella, whom we asked to wait in the lobby? The teacher, whom everybody calls an English expert, is in the class.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.